There once was a speedy rabbit who bragged about how fast he could run. Tired of hearing him boast, slow and steady, the turtle challenged him to a race. All the animals in the forest gathered to watch. The rabbit ran down the road for a while and then paused to rest. He looked back at Slow and Steady and cried out, "How do you expect to win this race when you are walking along at your slow, slow pace?" The rabbit stretched himself out alongside the road and fell asleep, thinking, "There's plenty of time to relax." At this stage of the story, the turtle is far behind the rabbit. To help him catch up the delay, we will learn about the arithmetical operations allowing us to make some calculations. JavaScript provides many operators, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and many more, but we will focus in this tutorial on these primary operators. To make a basic calculation, just write the expression followed by a semicolon. If we want to store the result of the calculation, we have to If we want to store the result of the calculation, we have to declare a variable. A variable is like a bag, where you put your result. For instance, if you want to calculate the sum of 2 and 3 and store it in a variable called a, we will write var a equals 2 plus 3. The keyword var means that you are declaring a new variable. Then you write the name of the variable, here we named it a. Eventually, you assign the result of the calculation to the variable by using the equal sign. You can comment your code using // Everything you write after that will not be considered by the computer. The comments are useful to explain your code and thus the logic behind it. By using the parentheses, we can apply precedence in our calculations. Precedence means that you tell the computer to calculate one expression before another. The calculation between brackets will be executed before the rest. For instance, 4 plus parentheses 4 divided by 2 equals 6, whereas parentheses 4 plus 4 divided by 2 equals 4. In this first tutorial, we have covered a few points. We covered the basic operators, how to declare a variable and assign it to a value, how to comment the code, and how to apply precedence rules in your expressions. Our main goal in this tutorial is to help the turtle win the race. In this exercise, the turtle has to estimate the time left before the rabbit wakes up. He is used to sleep a quarter of a day. He already had a nap, so he will sleep 20% less than usual. We also assume that the turtle is 3 hours behind the rabbit. We want to find out if the turtle will be able to catch up the rabbit before it wakes up. For this problem, we will have to use two variables. The time the rabbit spends sleeping, we will call it sleep, and the time the turtle spends during its journey, call it tortoise journey. Define the variable result and using mathematical operators, assign to this variable the time left for the turtle before the rabbit wakes up. Remember that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. The rabbit's naps usually lasts a quarter of a day, so 24 divided by 4 hours. If the hare sleeps 20% less than usual, this means that he will only sleep 80% of the time. So good luck. And remember, if you're stuck, don't forget to look at the hints.